Jasmine, are you recording?
Yeah. I turned the light off.
Pretty.
You can't see it if you, well...
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, cause the light. They're made out of light.
Ha. Ha ha ha.
Lightning bugs.
What?
What? Wait, what?
What'd you say? I got you, Evelyn. Chill.
That was a noise that scared me. What the heck?
Joe, your phone's at 15%. You gonna me just stop and let Jesse record the rest?
No, just record it till it's get ready to...
Till it gets down to stop.
Pausing it when they're...
Nothing happening? Okay.
Yeah, we just...
I got you, Evelyn. Chill, Rose.
She's about ready to get up there. If it... Now, unpause it. She hasn't unpaused. William was rolling. I'm not going to jump back in the
It's hard to see it, though. There we go. Let's just back it up. Because the light...
William was rolling around near them. Did you see him in the grass?
Wait a minute. Here, I'm going to slide it slowly.
Still
I just keep doing your head. I'm going to put my feet like this, so... There. You can slide over some.
Over?
Well, you could slide right here. Or not.
Yeah, no. Look at her! What the heck? I can yipe like a... Unpause it. Okay, good. Hey, now, don't think it's small. Because it gets super duper big. Wait till we get to the bigger ones. There's one shaped like boxes. And
Yeah,
you can tell on the ground. Them.
Oh. Dude, he's doing the small ones out.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just a firecracker.
He only threw a firecracker, plus it did worse. But that is like a
Jump punch,
firecracker.
Rose? Did you, like, jump back, have your mother's car?
Now that is like a firecracker.
You know you don't have to talk to the video.
I don't care.
Sorry, I'm recording. I know this isn't fireworks, but I just think the sky is so pretty. Look at that, though.
Pause it!
No, you can see the lining.
Does it have sound?
Yeah. And that's really pretty. Oh, there we go.
There, I think, is a firecracker. And I hope. So it'll actually crack this time.
Oh, battlefield!
Look, Johnny!
Battlefield, what is love? I always feel like a battlefield. Battlefield.
Oh, and are you freaking retarded?
Yes.
And he's creeping closer. He was what?
He was reading with Yo, nigga, get off that phone.
Yo, what? Wait, what?
Talking to Nikki.
You be doing her hookup. That's right.
You be...
Shit, I'm trying to sell my drugs.
Alright, nigga.
Hey, watch your language.
She don't really sell drugs, Evelyn.
I know. Here's the drugs. But that's not true.
It's all... Oh, thanks. My air drugs, Rose. Thanks. What am I going to do? We're breathing in.
Jasmine, how much is left on there?
11%.
Pause it.
Sorry.
Rose, we don't want to see your butt. Sorry. Stop ringing the darn bell.
Come in there.
Well, he can record.
No, I can.
No, it has to be on the charger. Well, no, he could stay in there. I want to sit out here. That's why I said he could stay in there.
No, it's hot in there. Oh. I'm sweating.
Tickle my foot.
What is that over there? There's something.
What's that?
Looking for you, Dalton.
I love you. I love you, everybody.
That was flat.
You're riding with Jesse.
I'm going home with him, so I'm going with him.
I'm riding with Daddy.
So am I.
Bobby, yes. No, you already had William. Bobby. You can tell my lap.
Well, we're all going to stop to see what it was.
All right, so we're gonna go ride with Jesse.
Fire bag. Close the door.
Jesse, can you move over to me?
Here, quit walking in the way.
Watch, it was something from probably over there.
And I keep getting Dalton's head.
Mom.
It's far from over there.
Mommy, watch Junior. Watch it be Optimus Prime.
What do you know if it's a dragon egg?
There was something that came out of the sky. The sky is falling.
It's a mortal speed dinner. It's Alex. He's Optimus Prime. No! That's what his character is on Minecraft, Optimus Prime. With a hoodie. Imagine if it was it's half, his face is half Optimus Prime, half human with a hoodie. Imagine if it was a creeper. Oh my goodness.
What if it's a dragon that has 3 heads?
Why if it's a creeper? What happens if...
She got scared. She just got scared and grabbed a hold of me. I'm like, what the heck?
No, I turned around and you were right there. It scared me. I tensed up.
So hurry up and grab a hold of me.
Yeah. It wasn't a balloon, it was an airplane of some sort. Yeah, it could have been.
When I was running up and got one, there was almost 20 to get one. 2 hours. There's a phone charger in there somewhere.
I got it.
That's alright.
Mine's from one of the border fires. It wouldn't travel that far.
My niggas.
It would burn out. We'll be starting to see a photo with the fireworks stuck in its butt.
He just said, let's get a cat to the fireworks. Wait. You gotta get a cat to the fireworks. Rachel.
They did Rebel Yell. Huh? They already did Rebel Yell. Maybe that's what this one was. Hopefully none of them explode on us this time.
Oh, why are you the closest one to that fire? William.
Yeah.
All the rest dog. We're down to the final 4.
Dalton, move!
Move, dog. Dolphino, watch it.
Hey, can we open the back of the Jeep up
Why?
so we can sit on it?
No room to sit in there. That's why. This is my arm.
Isn't it snow in the back? One now. That one be.
Oh.
Yeah.
Stinks. Come on, I don't want to die of lung cancer.
Is that your music?
2.
Back up, William Rose. Parts that landed right in front of William.
There was also one last year that exploded on us. Exploded it.
Kylie, you should really go get changed.
Brooke's lost him.
Well,
So-
because he, like, they're laying him right in front of him.
William! William! Back it up!
Ollie, move back.
We're back all the way to Aunt Dottie.
This is Katie.
Daddy, did the cat blow up?
This is called Caveman. What like?
Luffy died instantly.
Who? We didn't even see. Wait, never mind. He shot.
See right here? Rose. See right here? Be careful, because that will cut you.
Yeah, got her.
Yeah, about 5 times now.
How many times?
A bunch.
Oh,
Yeah, see, that's why I told you two to back up.
why?
Because you'd have got hit with sparks that time. There you go, Nikki.
Oh, thanks. Oh, I don't gotta ride like a nigga no more. Now I drive like a little old white girl.
Oh, nigga.
Hey! I'm a white girl with this up.
Nigga.
Oh, I got the nigga in the back.
Quit saying that word!
Nigga. Nigga. Nigga.
Rose!
Nigga.
That's enough. I will sell you to the Egyptian.
You're not allowed. You're not
I'll
my
do it
mother.
anyway.
Your mother ain't gotta be the one